More than 150 people are killed in multiple explosions in Sri Lanka. The targets include hotels and Easter church services. With breaking news from Sri Lanka, where we are getting reports of another explosion. This follows a series of bomb attacks earlier on Sunday, which killed at least 156 people and injured over 400 more. Police say the coordinated explosions happened at several churches and hotel resorts, mostly in the capital, Colombo. The attacks targeted tourists and worshippers during Easter Sunday church services.
So far, what we've heard, Naseja, is that this latest explosion has ripped through basically a restaurant opposite the National Zoo in a suburb just outside the city, an area called Tehivala. Obviously, Sunday, a holiday weekend, and a huge draw possibly to the zoo, and that sort of eating house right opposite is expected to have been fairly crowded. So reports just breaking that this explosion has targeted that eatery, that restaurant, and that there have been possibly another 2 fatalities and those injured there as well. Now, in terms of the toll, we're still seeing the numbers game here. We've seen the death toll rising from 25 to over 150 at the last count. Obviously, we've had a large number of people admitted through the National Hospital. Hospital sources saying more than 400 people were injured. As a result, those with more serious injuries continue to be in danger. So this is how it has been unfolding from sort of mid-morning when we heard 3 churches in the midst of Easter Sunday Mass being ripped through by explosions and 3 hotels in Colombo. Let's take a look.
Bomb